If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel, guys. So once again, I am back to my kitchen. I know it's been a while, I haven't shared any cooking videos for a while now. If you guys would like me to continue with cooking videos and actually make it into a series, leave a comment down below and let me know. So today, as you've seen already a title, we're gonna be cooking potato cakes, but it's more like a veggie cakes. So I don't know if you know, guys, but I'm Lithuanian, and in Lithuania potato cakes is really popular dish, but I made it with a little bit of a twist, the way I prefer it more, and I add more veg in it, not only potatoes. So I think I just gonna stop talking and we should just start cooking, right? Let's do this. So to start with, we're gonna need potatoes. I chose a baby potatoes, be very small as you can see. So I'm taking a 6 for this portion. You can use sweet potato instead if you desire for a more healthy option. I like these little potatoes, so I'm using those. Then we're gonna need 1 carrot, half of courgette, or if you are from States, you probably call it zucchini, 1 onion, and then 1 clove of the garlic, and 1 spoon of the flour. That's optional. If you're looking for gluten-free option, you don't need to add this in, but I feel like that holds all cake together better for cooking. And then just a little bit of the seasoning of your desire. I will add salt, pepper, and a bit of Cajun for spiciness. But yeah, that's all you need. Just a few ingredients. So I already washed potatoes and carrots. I'm not gonna peel them, and I peeled the onion and cut half of the courgette and peel the garlic, obviously. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grate all of these items with this grater. You can use the blender if you want to, if you prefer so. Not the blender, you know what I mean, guys. Yes, I'm gonna grate it all manually as there's not too many items and it's gonna be quick and easy. So the last bit left to do is onion. So if you are great with a knife and you can chop it really into small pieces, then go for it. But I am really clumsy and I'm not the best with operating a knife, so I'm gonna grate it. This onion made me cry. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna chop this 1 garlic clove. We got our mix already. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a bit of a flour. So as I said, 1 tablespoon. Add the seasoning. So I have some Cajun spice in here. This is the amount I'm putting in. Bit of a black pepper. So instead of a table salt, I like to use this Himalayan pink salt. And then I'm gonna add a bit of a herb. So I'm gonna add oregano in. And I really like garlic, so I'm gonna add a little bit more of garlic. And the next thing we got to do is to mix all of this into one paste. So I'm gonna form a little pancakes kind of ish. You know, like a pancake would look, so I'm gonna form those kind of little cakes from this. I cook, I like to use a coconut oil rather than ordinary oil, like vegetable oils. Right, I think this set of pancakes, potato cakes, veggie cakes, however you want to call it, is done. It's nice and toasty. I like it to be a little bit crispy, that's why I was waiting to fry them a little bit more. Alright, now so for sauce, you could either take the made tomato sauce or make your own one. So this one is tomatoes and basil, or use the hummus. I do like hummus a lot for my sauce actually, and I use it a lot, but I think maybe we should do the tomato sauce. So what I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna heat it up, I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar and seasoning. So sauce is ready and we're just gonna serve as potato cakes. Just quickly cooking asparagus and I'm gonna add in a plate so it just looks nicer. done, guys. So as I mentioned, I added asparagus on, and then hummus added a little bit of chives as well. And the sauce that we made, literally can't wait to dig in and try. I actually cheated, I tried it a little bit already and it tastes amazing. So yeah, I'm so hungry. I just want to dig in and eat it all because it looks so good. Just give it a go and try it because it looks so good. Oh my god, this is so good. And so good for your health as well because it's so healthy. Let's taste the sauce. Haven't tasted it yet. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, cooking video, and you found it helpful, don't forget to press that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you would like to see more similar videos and if I should make a series out of it and do like a vegan cooking videos more often and share it with you guys. But yeah, I literally can't wait to dig in. So yeah, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and I'll see you very, very soon. I'm so hungry, I'm going to eat this all because it's just too good. Ciao. Bye.